Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fitgirl Repack's GTA 5 not opening. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection. Select manage settings under virus threat protection settings and turn off everything in this page guys. After turning off, go back to virus and threat protection and select protection history under current threats. And in here you can able to see threat quarantined. Just click on it and select yes. And now as you can see the game file is in here. You just need to click on the action and select the restore option and select yes. And the file has been restored guys. As you can see, this is named as thread restored. You just need to do the same thing for others listed over here. Under here, click on it and make sure if you have any GTA 5 related file in here, then select the action and select restore option. Same thing under here, you just need to check everything in this list and restore the missing files. And after restoring all the files, you will see thread restored. And after doing it, make sure every files in here you restored for GTA 5. In my case, all files I have been restored, guys. As you can see, thread restored, GTA 5 file restored, same thing, GTA 5 file restored, same thing, everything restored. And after in this list, after restoring all the GTA 5 files, you just need to go to virus and threat protection and select manage settings under virus threat protection settings and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select a folder. And now you just need to go to the location where you save the game folder. In my case, I saved in C drive. As you can see, here is the game folder GTA 5 enhanced. Just select the folder option and now the folder has been added to this list guys. After adding the game folder in this list, you just need to go back to virus threat protection and select manage settings under virus threat protection settings and turn on everything in this page guys. Microsoft Defender antivirus audit scan items that have been executed. Click on this add or remove exclusion as we added the game in here. And after adding the game folder in this list, you can able to launch the game without having any problem guys now. And you will never face these kind of errors anymore. Do the same steps if you downloaded other games on Fitgirl Repacks. You can't play GTA Online, guys, because this is not the original game. So select the story option and select play Grand Theft Auto story. Click on here and it will start. And now, as you can see, I can able to play the game. Comfortable, like guys. Thank you.